So let me explain our pipeline. First one, connect to the Google Drive, install dependency, and run the utility function. You just run the cells and you will get all the things you need. And here, I want to specify three folders, three location. The first one for the input frame, that's the final frames you want to create your view. And upper frame is like after your editing, where is your frame is going to be generated. And fusion image is like the reference image, like we want some elements, objects in this video, in this frame. And finally, incorporating this element into our input, we are going to put this image into the fusion frame for easier to locate. And this one is a fusion image pipeline, just extracting some objects in the fusion image. It may work, and sometimes it's not really necessary because we already incorporating these logics into our frame editing. And here, we can see because the demo, we only use 6 images, and the video we provided in the Kaggle is using a very long video clips, maybe 300 video frames. But for demo, we use a shot. And here we want to define our plots. Like a filmmaking, we always have some plot in our mind. Like the first scenario, we want to do what, and second scenario, we want to blah, blah, blah. And this is how we're going to work. Here, this created interface. For example, my first image is and the maximum count I want is 5. Yeah. And second is middle. 5 frame, and it's just a example. And here is we want to create 5 Swift folders for each plot. So we are going to run our image editing. Sorry, we need to modify a little bit its index because this time we want to starting from the first index. And you can see this is my first index. Okay, and we have 5 buttons. Like the first one is save the image, next one is next frame, pre is the pre-frame, and we can do editing and as you instruction, remove the icons on the right bottom and we submit. It's going to follow. Okay. Yeah, it's generated image. And after editing, it's just an example. We want to save it. Okay. And we are going to have 3 options, whether it's on start, middle, or end. And I want it to be the start because it's really beginning. So you can see it's saving. And the second one, this is second image. Directly jump to the second image, but I don't want to modify it. I direct save and start. We can also, yeah, this is next button. That's the image we're going to modify. And in this case, we are going to make it fuse with another image in um, like this fusion image. Sometimes it may work, but sometimes it may not, because the language model sometimes cannot really understand what I mean. Move the leftmost man from the left of the man, the first image. Now we submit. And not really perfect, but we can still do more editing. Take some time. Okay, it works a little bit, and due to the time limit, we are going to save this is the middle part. So it's going to save in the middle plot. This one is we are going to uh, make some position change for this man. Right is left, left, just back a bit. I think he's doing something, but maybe not too obvious, and we can do another one. This is really obvious, even though it's not too realistic, but I think it's doing what we are asking for. Save this image. Thanks. So, one, two, one. We have some things in our this is 50. So, all image processed. Then our folder here is what we do the last one. Sorry, video upload for inventory is some time. And let's see. After frame final video, it has five frames. Maybe we skip one. And we are going to use our after frame photo. Yeah, editing and we are going to have an output chat here. Okay, that is the demo. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like it, this pipeline.